almost skipped this dry creek today, and I'm really glad I didn't. I had walked about 2 kilometres in the searing heat just to get here, with no real guarantee it would even be worth it. But I figured I'd give it a shot, and about 20 minutes later, I realised this was going to be a good day. The truth is, ending up in this creek wasn't by chance. I was actually making my way towards a fault line. Let's dig him up. This creek just happened to lead straight to that fault line. I wasn't planning to spend long here at all. It was more of a have a look on the way through situation.
Whoa, that's an unusual noise.
This signal was screaming at me, teasing me to dig it up. It sounded like junk, but I hadn't walked all this way not to dig a target. I've dug a lot of holes that sounded good and turned into nothing. So at this point, I was thinking, hopefully it's gold. Let's just see what it is.
Might be that there. Like ironstone coated puppy. Can't actually see the gold on it.
I had literally taken maybe 4 steps. You can see where I got that last one was just behind me there. Just behind where my hand is hanging down. I was pretty confident that this one too was going to be gold.
There it is. Just see, got a little bit of gold poking out. That's got a good bit of weight in it too. That's got to be 1.5 grams, I reckon. So this is where I just got that last target. I've backfilled my hole, but just started off again and definitely dig that one too.
Now this next one definitely didn't sound as big as the previous 2. And I'm not going to lie, this one took absolutely ages to find. I actually cut the footage of finding this target short just because it took a really long time to find. So let's speed it up. We'll go to it being in the scoop.
Oh, it's getting a bit livelier now. It's actually a gold nugget. Well, I chased that one around for a long time.
Surely there can't be more gold here. So I've worked out that this next target is buried under a rock and I need to get that rock out of the way.
Better.
And bingo, listen to that. It's screaming now.
Right down in the clay, good stuff. She's out. Fucking stones are hot. There he's there. Here. That's getting bigger. Still iron coated.
I was really having trouble with my camera focusing today, but there you have it. I also managed to dig up this old spoon. And there's my finds. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.